Hello everyone, I am Sumit Mehta. So, what I have seen today on the social media is that there is too much hate there on the social media. Both country people are abusing each other, and a lot of people are demanding war. So, I have a question to the people of both the countries that will you people will fight a war or your family will? So I think the answer is a straightforward no. No one ever will fight. So who will fight? It's our soldiers and their family will fight the war. And they are the people that only will suffer. So it is very easy to comment about the war, but as we all know that history proves that no one ever wins in the war, only humanity loses. So if peace can be brought without the war, then why should we put thousands of lives at the risk? So we all have to think calmly about this. And Abhinandan brother, we all are with you in this piece of time, and we salute you for your courage.
What is your name? Commander Abhinandan. Okay. I hope you have been treated well over there with us. Yes, I have, and I would like to put this on record. And I will not change my statement if I go back to my country also. The officers of the Pakistani army have looked after me very well. They are thorough gentlemen, starting from the captain who rescued me from the mob and from his Jawan, from his soldiers, and thereafter the officers of the unit which I was taken to. Okay. This is what I would expect my army to behave as, and I am very impressed by the Pakistani army. Okay, wonderful. So, Wing Commander, you hail from which place in India? Am I supposed to tell you this, Major? I'm sorry. I'm from down south. You're from down south? Yeah. Okay. And are you married? Yes, I am. You're married? Yes. Okay. I hope you like the tea. The tea is fantastic. Thank you. Okay. And now coming on to some specifics. Which aircraft you were flying? I'm sorry, Major. I'm not supposed to tell you this, but I'm sure you found the wreckage. And what was your mission? I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to tell you this.